Most common collective nouns for people: a class of students, a team of players, a band of musicians, a group of people, a gang of thieves, a bevy of girls, a crew of sailors, a cohort of guests, a faculty of professors, a choir of singers, a board of directors, a mob of rioters, a retinue of servants, an army of soldiers, a circle of friends, an audience of listeners, a slant of journalists, a slat of candidates, a huddle of lawyers, a team of athletes, a regiment of soldiers, a tribe of natives, a crowd of visitors, a team of doctors, a troupe of performers, a troupe of acrobats, a staff of teachers, a body of men, a pack of wolves, a drove of pigs, a skulk of foxes, a tower of giraffes, a kindle of kittens, a pod of whales, a trip of goats, a pack of dogs, a sluice of bears, a leap of leopards, a mob of kangaroos, a colony of bats, a troop of monkeys, a herd of cows, a colony of ants, a flock of birds, a brood of hens, a company of parrots, a host of sparrows, a parcel of woodpeckers, a swarm of bees, a cloud of grasshoppers, a rabble of butterflies, a scourge of mosquitoes, a parliament of owls, a gaggle of geese, a murder of crows, a school or shoal of fish, a swarm of eels, a run of salmon, a bask of crocodiles, an aggregation of snakes, a gambol of alligators, a lounge of lizards, a bale of turtles, a group of islands, a pair of shoes, a range of mountains, a shower of rain, a bale of cotton, a fleet of ships, a series of events, a bundle of sticks, a glossary of words, a heap of sands, a list of names, a cluster of stars, a set of tools, a gallery of pictures, a clutch of eggs, a pack of cards, a ring of keys, a library of books, a fleet of lorries, a babel of words, a sheaf of arrows, a catalogue of goods, a flight of stairs, an album of photographs, a palette of colors, a museum of art.